So René, we are sailing on the intracoastals of Florida with your baby X-Shore 1. Now this is built on a very automotive style production line. Tell me about your amazing new factory.
Yeah, it's a 15,000 square meter factory. It's the only blueprint assembly line production of boats in the world. And it's the only one that has a dark green stamp from Cicero, which means also it's the only sustainable one. And yearly, the factory has a capacity to produce 900 plus boats a year, and it's one of a kind.
Yeah, it's an amazing facility it's so clinically clean, and your approach to everything is obviously also quite efficient, which means that you're able to make a turnkey product that people are able to really actually purchase. This isn't a concept, it's a real product, and you've just had your biggest order to date, haven't you?
Yes, we have been working now for 6 months with a German group called Yachts, and we have now just finalized a deal in the DACH region, which is the biggest order we ever had. So it's really showing also right now that the momentum for electrical boating is happening, and it's a very exciting moment.